Hey guys. Hi guys! What's up? And today we're going to be trying out a new mukbang.
This is fun.
Yeah, they are from Korea. And yeah, so we're going to be trying out these. If you guys can already see how this one looks like, but we can't tell you how it tries yet. So I think we should try this one first.
And we're going to do like our action. How are we going to try it out?
Yeah, if we like it like this, that means we kind of like it. If we do this, that means we love it. If we do this, we hate it. Okay? So let's see how this tries. Here, you have one. And dip it inside. We have to dip. Let's show them how it looks. And if you guys want to try this, you have to get it at Korea. Because all of these foods are made from Korea. But if you guys want to buy this is the name right here.
Yeah, and then when we're done, we're gonna
Teddy! Okay, so now let's try it.
Yes.
I don't know about this.
Do it. Come on, we need to do it at the same time.
No.
No.
It's not good, guys.
No.
Get that over there.
No,
Okay.
I don't like it. Don't get that away from my eyes.
So here we're going to be trying a cheese in the middle of the chocolate. Say what? What? There's going to be a cheese in this thing. I don't think I'll like this.
Yeah, me either.
I'm getting the smallest piece.
Why do you get the biggest piece?
Look at this, guys. It's like a cookie, but it has like cheese inside.
Yours looks like a castle. Yours looks like a castle, and mine looks like a snowflake. Come on, try it.
There's cheese inside, guys.
Come on, try it.
Stop!
Yeah, let's play.
How does it taste?
This phone is fake. Boring. Let's go to the park.
Okay, guys.
1, 2, 3, go.
Here, Jay.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
I try it.
This is fun.
Yeah, actually, it tastes like ginger.
Yeah.
It actually tastes like ginger.
I like it.
Very good.
This is fun. Yeah.
Yeah. Guys,
I like it.
guess what?
I'll show them now.
The best one of all is here. Chocolate. If you love chocolate, comment down below. We love chocolate.
I love chocolate the most, though.
Let me get it ready.
No, I do.
I do.
No.
Okay,
Okay. Let's just start. I'm gonna eat this quick.
Show them.
This is how it looks.
And mine looks like a castle, and you're like castle too. But I have this castle.
Yeah, it's good.
Chocolate? Yes, come on. Delicious.
It's good.
I don't feel
I like it.
What happened, Matt?
You want more?
My belly hurts.
What about the red one? You said we had more.
How can I help you? On my way.
Thank you for watching, guys. And if you love this mukbang too, please subscribe and like.
And don't forget
If
to
you
give me
guys-
a thumbs up.
Yep. And subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. And turn notifications on all. And please don't forget to watch my other mukbang if you haven't watched the other one yet. And I saw that we have a lot of views on the mukbang already, but I think you guys should watch it too just for some advice. Bye.
Bye. Stay healthy.
Yep.